In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, especially the beginners out there, how to play around with color on your eyes. If you have a special occasion and you want to play with some color, have a pop of magic on your eyes, but you just don't know how to do it and what to do, I'm going to show you a simple trick on how you can add this onto your makeup look. For today's video, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty palette right over here. I've had this for so many years, and this one is the Desert Dusk palette. Love it. Got it when I was in Dubai, and it's super super pretty. So the color I'm going to go in with is the one by Amethyst. So what I'm going to do, because we're going to be working on that lower lash area, I'm going to go in with this lovely brush. It's super cute. I've had it for so many years, but it just does the trick. So it's super pointy, super cute, and it just really works in those very, hard to reach areas. But before I do that, I'm going to go in with my water bottle, which I like to keep on hand. And of course, I'm just going to spray the brush, the tip of the brush, with some water. And what that is going to do, before I go into my color, it's going to just pick the color really, really well and work it magically. Because we want the color to be quite pigmented, so it's always a good idea to sort of spray your brush with some water. Okay, I'm going to go in with the color Amethyst from that palette, which is a nice purpley color, especially if you have dark brown eyes or green eyes. Purple is a really great color. So what we are going to do, we're going to work that color from the outer corner of the lower lash and then sweep it halfway into the eye. Ooh, outer corner and halfway into the eye. Now this obviously depends how bold you want to go. If you're very fearless with color, of course you can add more and go really all out, but go only halfway, not throughout, and then just lightly wing it outwards. And keep the line very thick. You don't want the purple line to be too thick. Just lightly. I'm just going to finish the look with a little bit of mascara just to give the look some volume. Here we have it, guys. A really simple and effective way to add color to your makeup look. Super charming and it's super fun, so don't be afraid to play with color. And I'll see you in my next video.